I know what everybody is talking about now. The big snowstorm we're expecting Sunday night into Monday. It looks like it is going to be a mess around here. Well, back at the TV station, Tyler Jankowski is there. And Tyler, I know you've been looking at the forecast models, the radar, things like that. We're in for it this time, aren't we?
We are. You know, Tom, this could be the largest snowstorm in the Champlain Valley in over 2 years' time. And that is the magnitude of the system that we're looking at as we go into Sunday midday through midday Monday. The Weather Service has already put up a winter storm watch for the entire viewing area. It also goes all the way into Maine and all the way south into Massachusetts. So it's a large area of real estate that this storm is going to cover. It looks like that steady snow begins around 12 noon on Sunday. It really snows at a moderate to heavy clip Sunday afternoon, evening, and especially Sunday night. We're looking at 6 to 12 inches of snow for most locations, even in the valleys. If you go up into the Green Mountains, it's more like a foot plus. Out in Maine, it's a lot more than a foot, so we won't get the most, but we sure will get a lot of snow. The wind also turns gusty as we head into Monday. This storm is going to bomb out, as we call it, off the seacoast of Maine. That's a 24 millibar drop in 24 hours. It's going to surpass that. That generates the wind. It also generates even heavier snow out in Maine. But again, no doubt, New York, Vermont, New Hampshire is still getting a very large amount of snow Sunday into Monday. Right now on Storm Tracker, nothing going on except for a little light snow out by Watertown and Syracuse. This system will move through tonight and last through the day tomorrow. It is a very weak system, though, so it's light snow at most. Will call for 1 to 3 inches. Temperatures are in the single digits and teens. Will drop a couple degrees, but with the clouds and the light snow moving in, we'll call for a low of 8 in Burlington. The snow begins late this evening, so sure, a couple of roads will be slippery, but it's really not a lot in terms of snow quantity. So let's start Futurecast 11 o'clock. Here's the light snow moving in tonight. Again, it's spotty. It doesn't snow the whole day tomorrow. The big story is Sunday. We'll stop the clock here. Midday Sunday, this is 12 noon. The snow moving in from southwest to northeast. Here's dinner time on Sunday. It is snowing wall to wall and at a very good clip, perhaps an inch an hour at least. That'll continue into early Monday, and then the storm starts to taper off by midday Monday. I think the snow will continue in the mountains, but in the valley, the substantial snow accumulation will end by midday on Monday. A foot plus along the spine of the Green Mountains, also in parts of eastern New Hampshire out to Maine as the storm strengthens. 6 to 12 inches northern New York, the Champlain Valley, also the Connecticut River Valley. So this is great news for the ski areas and especially the snowmobile trails that really need some snow. Here's the 5-day forecast going forward. Sunday into Monday is that storm. Temperatures below freezing. Valentine's Day on Tuesday. I know a lot of people have plans, perhaps for dinner. It looks dry. So even though we could get a foot of snow Sunday into Monday, Tuesday looks very nice. And wouldn't you know, we're also watching for a potential storm on Thursday. So we'll take them one at a time, but clearly our focus and attention is on this Sunday night into Monday storm system. I know it's Friday and we're going into a weekend, but please stay in touch with the forecast because any changes we'll have you covered here on NBC5 on air and online all throughout the weekend. And that's my latest First Alert forecast. Stu, back over to you.